In this lesson, we'll have operations and translations. Upon completion of this lecture, the student should be able to first define binary operations and differentiate the properties of such, perform operations on mathematical expressions correctly, and translate symbols to words and vice versa. Let us have the binary operation. A binary operation is an operation that takes two input elements from a set and gives a unique result that also belongs to the same set. We call these input elements as operands. For example, we have 2 plus 4 equals 6. We know that 2 and 4 are both real numbers, and the operation plus gives the sum 6, which is also in R. So we can say that the operation addition is a binary operation in R, in the set R. Letter B. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. We know that 5 and 4 are both real numbers, and the multiplication operation produces a number 20. That is a real number also. So we can say that multiplication is a binary operation in R. Take note that in both cases, dalawa yung input elements natin, 2 and 4 for the addition. Dito naman sa example na to, we have 5 and 4. Note, taking the square root such as square root of 36 equals 6 is not a binary operation but a unary operation. Kasi isa lang yung input element natin, we only have one input element. Comparing to this one, 2 plus 4, we have two input elements, and then 5 and 4, two input elements as well. Now, let us formally define binary operation. A binary operation on a set S is a mapping denoted by star, which assigns to each ordered pair of elements of S a uniquely determined element of S. The set S is said to be closed under the operation star, which means taking the binary operation with any two elements of S will give a result that belongs also to S. The star serves as a placeholder only and must be defined. So, ano yung sinasabi nito? This one, assigned an ordered pair. So, di ba ito na yung dalawang input element natin? For example, 2 plus 4. So, 2 plus 4 equals 6, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, we have here 2, 4. And then this one maps to 6, isn't it? Okay, so 2, 4 maps to 6. Okay. A binary operation star on S is a function on S cross S that maps to S. So in symbols, we have here star is defined as S cross S maps to S. We define a binary operation by specifying the letter A. Ito pinaka-importante. A set where the operation is to be performed. For example, the real number set, the rational number set, the integer set, etc. Letter B, the rule or the function by which the operation is carried out. You may have addition, multiplication, and other formulas. Now, saan ba ginagamit yung binary operation? For example, sa mga software na ginagamit natin or in games na ginagamit natin. Okay, most of them uses data, no, in order for them to work. Okay, now, if your inputs are all real numbers, it may assume any number that is not imaginary. Okay, so it must be, for example, 3.1 plus 2.5. So this is equal to 5.6. 5.6 is also a real number, correct? So that's why we must state or classify or declare in what set the operation is taking place in. And then letter B, the rule or the function, ano gagawin ng operands natin? Will they be added to each other? Will they be multiplied? Etc. etc. So it is important to define them. Now, the binary operations have 5 properties. Number 1, closure property. For all A and B in the set S, A star B is in the same set S. So, gayon na kanina. So, 2 plus 5 equals 7. So, ito, si plus, halimbawa, si star ay defined as A plus B. Ayan yon. So, we can say that 2 star 5 is equal to 7. Okay, so si 7 nandun pa din sa same set. So, we can say that star is closed. Number 2, commutative property. A star B is equal to B star A. Kung si star ay A plus B, tapos ngayon, kailangan si B star A ay equal din doon. So, A plus B, ito nga ba ay equal sa B plus A? Yes. Next, associative property. Let C be an element of the same set. The quantity A star B star C is equal to A star, the quantity B star C. Here, we are going to add another element C. Fourth, we have the identity element. There is a unique element E in S such that A star E is equal to E star A and either must produce A. Etong commutative property, balikan natin. Commutative property, A star B is equal to B star A. So, saan to similar? For example, when you are playing, so if you click a triangle and square in your joystick, so this one will also produce the same movement sa character na pipindutin mo. Kung halimbawa, sisipa yung character. Triangle plus square plus box. Pag pinindot mo yun, sumipa yung character. Tapos halimbawa, pag binaliktad mo, square muna, tapos triangle, sumipa pa din yung character, same movement. Ibig sabihin, commutative yun. Okay? For the associative naman, ito yung kapag halimbawa, pinagsabay mo yung tatlong inputs or tatlong controls sa joystick. For the identity element, this one is the element that, let us emphasize it here, element that does nothing. Meaning to say, if I do this, if I do or use this, it will not affect anything. Okay, can you think about an example when it comes to addition? For example, I have here A. What am I going to add to A in order for me to get A? 0, isn't it? So we can say that E is 0 for addition. How about for multiplication? A times blank equals A. So here, positive 1, isn't it? In this case, E is equal to 1 for multiplication. Okay. So ito naman, paano natin i-relate to sa laro? Sometimes, whenever we play, sa joystick natin, meron tayong pinipindot, tapos walang nangyayari sa character. Okay, that is an identity element. So, walang nangyayari. And finally, we have the inverse element. This one, ito naman yung element that undoes the operation. Okay, for every A in S, we can find B in S such that A star B is equal to E and B star A is equal to E. So, ito yung nag-a-undoes ng operation. So, what is that? So, eto, kung si A, ano yung mag-a-undo sa existence ni A? Obviously, yung kanyang negative. Okay, so we call this additive inverse. Ano example nito? Halimbawa, gusto mo mag-undo, ganyan yun. For example, we have 5 plus 2 equals 7. Ngayon, na-realize mo, ay, hindi pala dapat ako nag-add ng 2. So, you're going to add its additive inverse in order for you to return to 5. Okay? Next, how about multiplication? For multiplication, what am I going to multiply to A in order for me to get 1? Okay, so yung element natin, di ba, 0 and 1, ito 0, so ito po yan. Tapos ito naman 1. Okay, what am I going to add, or multiply rather? We have the reciprocal. So, we call this the multiplicative inverse. Okay? Now, let's move to our first example. But before anything else, how do we prove the following properties? If you are sure that the 5 properties or one of them, any of them, are all to be proven true, use arbitrary variables. So, ganun tayo mag-prove. You are not going to use specific examples because we are trying to generalize all the elements in the set. So, variable gagamitin natin kung alam natin na totoo. However, on the other hand, if you are sure that the 5 properties or one of them, two of them will fail, we can give a counter example. So, ito na yung specific values na makakapag-disprove nung claim. Okay? Number 1. Prove or disprove whether the following binary operations possess the 5 properties or not. Number 1, in R, define A star B equals AB plus A plus B. Alright, for the closure property, okay, we know that AB is a real number, and A is a real number, B is a real number. So, ibig sabihin, yung sum nila, real number din. So, we are sure of that. So, regardless of what you substitute here, as long as it's not imaginary. And then, the operation star will be closed in R. Okay, so how are you going to state that? So, since A and B are real numbers, so is AB plus A plus B. Okay, thus, star is closed in R. O, ganun lang. So, you know that kahit anong ilagay mo dyan, real number pa din yung lalabas. How about commutative? Okay, for the commutative, yung claim dito, A star B is equal to B star A. So, let us prove if this is true. Okay, let's have here A star B equals B star A. Okay, so ang A star B ay AB plus A plus B from the given. Tapos ngayon, pag B star A, magiging ganito na. BA plus B plus A. Did you get it? Pagbabaliktarin mo lang. Tapos ngayon, this is in question kung equal ba sila. Oh, now, rearranging the terms. So, eto, pwedeng maging AB yan. And then, rearranging the term also here. So, we can say that they are equal. Okay, since A star B is equal to B star A, then star is commutative. In R. Okay? Alright, next, let's have associative. Okay, for the associative, the claim is the quantity A star B star C is equal to A star the quantity B star C. Okay, ngayon, kunin muna natin si B star C. Actually, pwede na natin idugtong na. Okay. Ayan, ito nga ba ay mag-i-equal. So, si A star B, so we have here the quantity AB plus A plus B. Okay, and then followed by star C. Tapos, eto naman, we have A star. O ngayon, ano naman si B star C? Si B star C, susundin lang din natin itong formula na to, yung rule na yan. So, this will be BC plus B plus C. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so sir, paano nangyari yon? You just simply follow this one, kung paano yung pagkakasulat ng mga operands. And then after that, this one will be your first operand. And then this is your second operand. And this is your first operand. And then this is your second operand. So, what will happen? Isa-substitute lang din natin yan dito sa rule natin. Okay. So, first operand, we have AB plus A plus B, the quantity. And then we have here C. Diba ganon? Ito yan eh, oh. Tapos ito naman si B. Diba same lang? Okay, and then your A is very long. So, that is AB plus A plus B quantity. And then plus C. So, ito nga ba ay equal sa, okay, first operand and then followed by BC quantity plus B plus C. So, sir, saan galing yan? Ito yun, diba? So, AB, ayan. Okay, plus A plus B. Ayan yun. Okay, let us just expand everything. So, this one is equal to ABC plus AC plus BC. Okay, remove the grouping symbol plus AB plus A plus B plus C. So, ito naman, we have ABC plus AB plus AC plus A plus BC plus B plus C. So, let us rearrange. So, I have AB plus A, A plus B muna, yung mga single. A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus AC plus ABC. So, ito nga ba ay equal sa, so ito ganun din, A plus B plus C and then may AB rin plus BC plus AC plus ABC. Okay, they are equal. Therefore, star is associative in the set R. Alright, now let's have the identity element. Okay, so ang claim naman nito, A star E is equal to E star A and must lead to A. Okay, so ngayon, we are going to prove the both sides of this. Ito. So, ito at saka ito. Okay, so I have here left hand side. So, I have here A star E. A star E. So, saan equal si A star E? So, this one is equal to AE plus AE plus A plus E. Okay? Tapos si E star A, ito naman yung right hand side. Si E star A equal sa EA plus AE plus A. Okay, so dapat mag-equal sila sa A. Now, what are we going to do? So, dalawang part. So, yung LHS muna, left hand side. LHS muna, left hand side. Okay, A star E is equal to A. So, we have here AE plus A plus E equals A. So, solve natin si E. So, AE plus E, tapos lipat mo sa kabila yung A. Magsisiro na, no? Okay, factoring. E is equal to A plus 1 equals 0. So, here, E is equal to 0. Okay. So, now, let's have the right-hand side. For the right-hand side, we have E star A equals A. Okay, so this one is EA plus E plus A equals A. Okay, so eto, okay, is that correct? EA plus E plus A. So eto, ganun din, no? Mawawala na to. So pag if you manipulate the equation, A will be gone. So the remaining will be E times the quantity A plus 1 equals 0. Divide both sides by A plus 1, E is equal to 0. Okay, so let's try. Check, rather. So take note na equal yung nakuha natin, both left and right. parehong 0. So if the two are not equal, then there is no identity element. So that's possible. Okay, so let us check. Let's have A star 0. Will this be equal to A? Okay, so this one will be A times 0 plus A plus 0. Ito nga ba ay equal sa A? Yes! Okay. Yung isa naman, si 0 star A, ito nga ba ay equal kay A? Okay, so I have 0 times A plus 0 plus A. Yes. Okay, therefore, the identity element is 0. So, ito yung walang ginagawa. It doesn't do anything. Okay. Oh, aside from that, may restriction din pala to. Balik tayo dito. So, this one is 0 over A plus 1. So, dito, this one, dito din, parehas. Okay, this one implies that A is not equal to -1. So, ganun din to. Kasi mag-undefined yun. Okay? So, ito, lalagay pa natin dito. For all real numbers except -1. Okay? So, ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Ayan, naka-imply lang yun. So, this one, kailangan mong sabihin na this is not applicable to all real numbers. Okay? Because of this implication. So, ito, we have E equals 0. So, ito, ganun din. Although, you can argue that, ano ba si 1 star 0? Negative 1 star 0. So, di ba, negative 1 times 0 plus E, 0, and then plus negative 1. Okay, kapag binaliktad mo, ganun din naman yung lalabas, di ba? However, upon getting the identity element, we encountered this fraction. So, that's why we have to be restrictive. So, si negative 1, hindi natin isasali. Okay, letter E. Ay! Okay, next, we have the inverse element. Okay, for the inverse element, the claim is A star B is equal to B star A, and this is equal to the identity element. Okay, si B yung inverse element. Yun yung hahanapin natin. Okay, for the left-hand side, okay, I have A star B equals E. Okay, so eto yan, no? Okay, si E0, di ba? Yun yung nakuha natin kanina. So, I have A star B equals 0. So, what A star B? AB plus A plus B equals 0. Okay, so for B, yun na lang matitira dapat dito. Sa kabila, we have negative A. Okay, factoring B times the quantity A plus 1 equals negative A. So, si B, we have here negative A over A plus 1. So, dito ganun din. So, your A should not be equal to negative 1. Okay, next, let's have the right-hand side. For the right-hand side, we have B star A equals E. So, I have B star A equals 0. Okay, so solve ulit natin si B. So, this one will be equal to BA plus B plus A equals 0. Same process. So, factor out and then isolate. Okay, si negative A nandito na. Okay, so eto we have here negative A over a plus 1. So we have a is not equal to negative 1. Okay, this is the answer. Now, pwede tayong mag-check, no? So, let's try. Okay, if A is equal to 5, ano si B? Si B ay negative 5 over 6, correct? Hanap tayo ng magandang numero. Ay, fraction na talaga yan. So, there's nothing we can do. So, let's try. Let's have A star B. Ito nga ba ay mag-i-equal sa 0? Okay, so let's have 5 star negative 5 over 6 equals 0. Okay, we have AB. So, 5 times negative 5 over 6 plus 5. Okay, plus negative 5 over 6 equal. Ito nga ba ay mag-i-equal sa 0? Okay, so this one is negative 25 over 6 plus 5 plus, minus negative 5 over 6 equals 0. So, let us clear the fractions by multiplying 6 to both sides of the equation. Okay, so I have negative 25 plus 30 minus 5 equals 0. Ito nga ba ay mag-equal sa 0? The answer is yes. Therefore, the identity element is negative a over a plus 1 for all a that is not equal to negative 1. So, what is our conclusion for number 1? Okay, conclusion, star is closed, commutative, associative, in R, but the inverse element, the identity, exists only in the real number set except negative 1. Alright, number 2. In the positive integer set Z, define A star B equals A over B. Okay, for the closure, what are we going to do? A over B must be a positive integer as well. In this case, this one can be disproven, okay? So let's have a counter example. For your counter example, you may think of any number, any positive integer that will disprove this statement. Take A, B equal to 2, kahit ano yan, B equals 3. Then, 2 star 3, this one will be equal to 2/3. This is not an element of the positive integer set, dahil fraction yan. Okay, thus, star is an invalid binary operation in Z+. Okay? Dahil hindi close. Okay, next, commutative. Commutative, ganun din. So, let's have a counter example. Take note na ito ay same din ng divided by, no? So, A divided by B. Okay, counter example. So, pwedeng yung same lang din na ginamit natin kanina. Okay, take A equals 2 and B equals 3. Okay, then, A star B, ito nga ba ay equal sa B star A? Okay, 2 star 3, ito nga ba ay equal sa 3 star 2? So, we have 2/3 and then 3 over 2. They are not equal. Okay? Next, associative. Okay, let's just erase this. Okay, for the associative, the claim is A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Okay. A star B is A over B. Tapos ito naman, this will be B over C. Okay, so using this as your new operand, so this will become A over B over C. And then ito, we have A over B over C. So, ayusin lang natin. So, ito magiging A over B times 1 over C. Ito naman, A times C over B. So, if you remember, diba, the reciprocal, ganun mag-simplify ng fractions. So, this one will be equal to A over BC equals AC over B. So, it is visible that they are not equal. So, it is not associative. Star is not associative in the positive integer set. Next, let's have the identity element, if it exists. Okay, for the identity element, A star E is equal to E star A, and these two must be equal to A. Okay, so for the A star E, this one equals A. Ito yung left-hand side. Okay, so this one will be equal to A over E. So I have here A equals A. This one will already cancel each other out. Okay. Or A equals AE. Actually, no. Okay. Actually, no. We cannot cancel them together. But, we are going to do this. So, this one is more formal in mathematics. A minus AE equals 0. Okay. We need to have... We need to have E. Okay, let's factor out. A times the quantity 1 minus E equals 0. Since naka-equate sa 0, so pwede natin paghiwalayin yung factors. A equals 0, tapos yung isa, 1 minus E. So, E is equal to positive 1. So, may dalawang identity elements. Hindi pwede. So, the identity element is 1. Okay. So, now, for the right-hand side, so let's see. Kailangan equal sila. E star A equals A. Okay, for the E star A, we have here E over A equals A. So, I have E equals A squared. Okay, ito na yun. E equals A squared. Okay, take note na hindi equal sila since 1 is not equal to A squared. Then, there is no identity element. Also, no inverse element. Next, let's have number 3. In the integer set, define A star B equals to A minus 3B plus 1. Okay, here you will see that there's a subtraction. Okay, however, let's try first if this one is closed. A closure property. Okay, for the closure property, since we are in the integer set, positive, negative, and 0, positive, negative, and the set containing 0 rather, any input here will result to an integer. So how are we going to say that? Since a and b are integers, so is 2a minus 3b plus 1. Okay, thus star is closed in Z. Okay, how about commutative? Okay, sa commutative, common sense, A minus B matic, hindi yan equal sa B minus A for all values of A and B in R. Okay, hindi yan equal. So, ano yung counter example? 3 minus 2 is not the same as 2 minus 3. So, we can use that as the counter example. Okay, take A 2 B 1. Okay, integer, kahit anong integer. Okay, so A star B, is it equal to B star A? So, let us plug it in. So, we're sure na hindi ito magko-commutative kasi may subtraction na involved. Okay, so kunin natin si 2 star 1, tapos si 1 star 2. Okay, si 2 star 1, this is equal to 2 times 2 minus 3 times 1 plus 1. Tapos si 1 star 2 naman, we have 2 times 1 minus 3 times 2 plus 1. So, ito nga ba ay mag-i-equal? So, I have 4 minus 3 plus 1 equals 2 minus 6 plus 1. So, ito, we have here positive 2. Tapos sa kabila, okay, 2 minus 6 plus 1. 2 minus 6 plus 1, negative 8 plus 1, negative 7. Okay, so the verdict is not commutative. Okay? Letter C. Okay, let's have associative. Si associative, ang claim nito ay A star, the quantity B star C, is equal to the quantity A star B star C. Okay. So, I have here, okay, 2A minus 3, tapos dito, si ano na, B star C, and then plus 1. So, ito nga ba ay mag-equal kay the quantity 2A minus 3B plus 1 star C. Okay, so ito, we have 2A minus 3 times the quantity 2B minus 3C plus 1. Saan galing yon? Dito din sa formula, substitute mo lang din yung mga operands mo. And then plus 1. So, ito nga ba ay mag-i-equal? So, ito, binary operation ulit. So, we have 2 times the quantity 2A minus 3B plus 1. And then minus 3C plus 1. So, saan galing ulit yon? So, eto, nanggaling lang yan dito. Okay? Yun na, iba lang yung operands na gamit natin. Okay, I have 2A minus 6B. Be careful with the sign. Plus 9C minus 3. And then, plus 1. So, equals 4A minus 6B plus 2 minus 3C plus 1. Okay, wala, laglag. So, these are not equal. Okay, therefore, star is not associative. In double C. Okay, how about the identity element? Okay, for the identity element, the claim is A star E equals E star A equals A. Okay, yung left muna, A star A is equal to A. So we have 2A minus 3E plus 1 equals A. Okay, ang sisolve natin yung E. So matitira na lang si E dito. So 3E equals A minus 2A minus 1. So negative 3E equals negative A minus 1. Okay, divide both sides by negative 3. Ilabas na din natin yung negative dito. So we have A plus 1. And then all over negative 3. So para mag-cancel yung negative. So we have E equals A plus 1 all over 3. Okay, so ito yung ano natin. However, what do you notice about this one? Sige, yung right hand side muna. For the right hand side, we have E star A equals A. So I have here 2E minus 3A plus 1 equals A. Okay, so solving for E, so we have 2E equals A plus 3A minus 1. Okay, 2E equals 4A minus 1. E is equal to 4A minus 1 all over 2. At tingnan mo dito, hindi sila equal. E is not equal to E. Tama? Magkaiba yan. Also, magpo-fail yung identity element. Hindi magiging integer yung identity element for some values of A. Okay? So, therefore, star has no okay, for some, okay, take, ayan, mag-isip ka lang na kahit ano, take, let's say A is equal to 2, equal to 1. O, diba? Hindi na magiging integer yung laman niyan. Okay, 4 minus 1, 3, all over 2, so 3 over 2, hindi na integer yon. Okay, so ito, okay, eto, matic, wala din inverse. Okay, number 4, we have here in the rational number set, define A star B equals A raised to B. Okay, this one is not closed. Okay, this one is not closed, so we are going to give counter example. So, ibig sabihin, yung result natin, hindi rational number. So, take A equals, let's say, 25. Sige, ano na lang, madali, 5 na lang. Tapos si B, rational yan, no? So, pwedeng maging fraction. Si B, let's say, 1/2. Note that the quantity raised to 5 raised to 1/2 is equal to the square root of 5, and this is not rational. Okay, thus star is not closed in the set Q. Okay, for the B to E, so I will leave this na to you as your exercise. For the last example, we have here in the natural number set, define A star B equals the minimum of the set A, set containing A and B. Okay, the minimum function only gets the lower value between A and B. Okay, so can we say that it is closed? Yes, because regardless of what you get, A and B are natural numbers. If A is lower than B, it is still a natural number, so it is closed. Okay, how about commutative? Okay, for commutative, yes. Because take note that the minimum in the set of set containing A and B, this is also equal to the minimum of the set containing B comma A. So the minimum function will select yung lower value pa rin. How about associative? Okay, let's have here A star B star C. Ito nga ba ay equal sa A star, the quantity, B star C. Okay. So A star B, we have here the minimum. Okay, star C. And then here we have here A star. B star C is the minimum in B star C. Okay. So now, using this as the new operand, okay, this one will become equal to the minimum of the set containing A and B, and then comma C, and then ito naman, we have here the minimum of A, comma, the minimum BC. Alright, do you think these are equal? Okay, the answer is yes. Okay, take note that this will select the lower value, and this will also select the lower value between B and C. So now, regardless kung ano makuha niyan, the outermost minimum function will always select the lowest value in this case. Okay, last, we have the identity element. Okay, for the identity element, A star E is equal to E star A, which is equal to A. For the left-hand side, we have A star E equals the minimum of the set containing A and E. Sorry, ano pala? A muna. So, we have here the minimum containing A and E equals A. So, ito, we cannot definitely say or we cannot definitely determine which is lower than A and E. Because take note that, in this case, E must be greater than A. Okay? So, if kung mayroong ganitong klaseng condition, it will not be true anymore. So, there will be no identity element because we are already restricting the set in confining that E must be greater than A. So, this one, no identity and inverse element. Alright, for your exercise, prove or disprove whether the following binary operations possess the 5 properties or not. So, I forgot to mention, if ever there is no, the 5 properties are proven to be false or proven to be non-existing to any of the binary operation, it means that the binary operation is invalid. So, what are you going to do? You must redefine the binary operation and restate also the set. Okay, so for these examples, I want you to answer prove, okay, at least one, no? So, yung closure pa lang, pag hindi na close yan, invalid na agad yan. Okay, aside from that, I also want you to get, compute 3 star negative 5. So, dito naman sa number 2, 5 star negative 1/2. Dito naman sa 3, I want you to get 10 star square root of 100. Dito naman sa isa, I want you to get pi over 2 star pi over 3. Okay, and then last, let's have 25 star 5.